Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of this Photoshop tutorials with DevTech Hub. Now in today's video we're going to create a halftone effect. Probably you all saw it in the thumbnail of this video, so we are just going to create exactly what you saw on this thumbnail. So quickly, I would like for you to subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification bell as well, so that you can get access to all our new videos we upload. Now let's move into the world of Photoshop quickly. So you create your new file, any size, or doesn't matter, you choose any good size of your choice. I went in 1920 by 1080 pixels. Okay, so after doing this, you create a new layer. Sorry, I have some noise in my background, probably because of that you see me talking a lot faster. Because I want to end this video quickly. There has been some noise here lately, that's why I delayed this video a while now, but for the love of you, I'm going to continue creating, whether in good form or in bad form. We are still going to learn. Okay, so use a rectangular marquee tool to make this quick selection as I just did, because I was talking so you come to the gradient tool. Afterwards you come here, okay, select the black to white, okay, then you click on it to get in the gradient editor. Now you can choose to reduce the opacity of the colors in your gradients. So in order to check the opacity, you click on this one at the top of each color, and you see the opacity here. This is 100% and this is 100%, but we want the white to be transparent so that it makes it black to transparent. Okay, so I'll reduce this one to completely 0% and I click on OK. So afterwards I'll come to within my selection, I'll draw a linear gradient, something like this. Okay, you can choose to make it radial too, but we'll look at that one afterwards. Then I'll come to filter, I'll come to pixelate, then choose color halftone. Let it load up. Okay, so I'm going to use the maximum radius as 30, and this is my halftone effect created for me. Very neatly done, right? Now let's hide this. Let's see how it would have looked when we use the radial. So I'll use the radial if we are going to get the same result or not. So the same process, I've already done the settings, so I'll click on it here, color halftone, and this is how it shows. Okay, so it works according to the gradients, black towards transparent. Very nice, right? This is just a short one. Now let's try with the other selection tool. So I'll deselect and hide this layer. Now I'm going to go back to my first layer here and go and use the elliptical marquee tool, and create a perfect circle at the center here. Okay, now afterwards I'm going to refine the edge. I'll increase the feather and shift the edge a little bit. Now I'll fill it with color. So I have it set to black already, so I'll do this and I'll come to the filter, pixelate again through the same process, then color halftone. This time around I think I'll make it 10. Okay, then click on OK. Then I'll deselect so that we zoom in to see it more clearer. This is it at the edge. Okay, you could have increased it a little bit more, however you want it, just do it that way. How do you see it? Very nice, right? So that's with the color halftone effect. The next time or in the next video I'll try and introduce this into a picture. Okay, editing a picture with this effect, and it's going to look so marvelous, so beautiful, and you're going to love it. Just trust me on it. Thank you once again for watching this video, and once again I'll ask you to subscribe to this channel. Hit on the subscribe button below, yes, and as well as the notification bell to get alerts on all our videos we upload. Thank you. This is just a quick one. Forgive me for the rush, but see you once again, and goodbye.